Hey guys, Pratyusa this side from Mybonglife. Since this is my birthday month, I have a lot of things to show you. So this video is going to be a haul. Without any further ado, I have a lot of things to show you. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So this is a kurti I bought. This is in the peacock green. I hope you can see it has long sleeves, so for summers it is really good. Look at the design, it is really good. And as we are Bengalis, there is a Bengali year ending and a year opening, and we call it Nobo Borsho. Nobo means new and Borsho means year, so it is a Bengali New Year. So this was gifted by one of my aunties, and this is also in blue and it has a wind charm here. So this is really summery and good for a Bengali New Year. The next stuff is that I got from Planet. That is this skirt. Guys, look at this skirt. This is so much bohemian, and the print is so me. And for summers, it will really be relaxing for you, because skirts are really hits in summer. The next stuff I bought from Brand Factory is really classy. This is actually my friend's choice. So yeah, I really love this outfit. This is a bodycon dress and I really love this. It has some lace detailing in the back and it is sleeveless and mid-length. So yeah, in this summer season I got a real obsession for skirts. So yeah, this is the skirt. Look at the color and the work. This has something like this part, and it has a latka also and a chain. So this is a free size skirt. So I really love the color and the works or detailing of this skirt. The next stuff I bought is a top. And I really love the top because it is so much bohemian, guys. Look at the color and the print, guys. And it is basically a shirt, but it has a tie like from here. If you tie this, it will become a top. So I really love this top. The next stuff I bought is a long churidar. This is so much in trend, the long churidars. Look at the color. I really have an obsession for browns and nudes because they suit my skin tone very well. So this brown and this chocolate color and the brown reddish brown color suits me a lot, and I have an obsession for it. The next stuff I bought is a dangri skirt. Yeah, you heard that right, a dangri skirt in the color mint. In the color mint. So the dangri is like this. Okay, sorry. So the dangri looks like this. I hope you can see. It is like something written in white, and it has also a top, a crop top like this. So I really love the dangri, but I haven't worn it yet because I haven't worn it yet. So the next stuff is what I bought from Brand Factory. So this is a Levi's jeans, and this is shade navy blue, and it is a super skinny fit. So Super skinny fitted jeans are good for everyone. The next thing, again, I bought something boho because bohemian is just my style. You know, I love everything, each and everything in bohemian. I need everything bohemian. So the next stuff I bought is this Levi's jeans. It has boho prints on it. Can you see how much boho it is? I really love this jeans. I have something to show you, and that is from like past 1 month I was hoping for a bag, and one of my brothers gifted me this bag. This is from Cathy London, and this is really awesome, guys. Trust me, this is awesome. So this is a short video of my haul, my birthday haul and the brand factory haul and whatever you call it. So I really love all of the stuffs. So do tell me on the comments below what product you loved a lot and what product you didn't like. I'll be waiting for your comments. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, and don't forget to hit the like button. So yeah, see you next time.